Hey, John Smith here from Elite Property Strategies, and thanks for stopping by. Most people I speak to want the same thing, a property business that actually works. One that's sustainable, scalable, and doesn't fall apart when the market shifts. That's exactly what our Ignite program is built for. So whether you're just starting out or you've been renovating and developing for years, it's designed to help you grow with clarity and confidence. Here's a quick overview of what's in the Ignite program. The Kickstart program is the first 4 weeks, combining one-on-one sessions with online modules to get you moving and into action. We focus on how you operate, identify your key blockers, and create a clear strategy plan, a roadmap for the year ahead so you know exactly what to focus on and why. We offer twice weekly group calls, online modules, and weekly accountability checkpoints to keep you on track and supported. Our focus is on implementation, not just training. Every module is designed so you can take action immediately and replicate it anywhere. If you hit a roadblock, we quickly identify it and help get you back on track. Every quarter we run in-person workshops where you can meet peers at all levels. It's a chance to be challenged, supported, and get real-time feedback from people who understand exactly what you're doing. You get personalized support whenever you need it. On-demand calls, one-on-one sessions, and deal reviews to give you confidence in every opportunity. Plus, we can hook you up with some discounted RP data access so you have the tools and the systems you need at a fairer price. If you're ready to get started, book in a free 1-hour session with me on Zoom. We'll dive into your goals, your current situation, and your biggest blockers, and we'll map out a clear, actionable roadmap for the next 90 days and beyond. You'll walk away with clarity on your priorities and your next steps, confidence to take action and secure deals, plan to consistently find and process deals efficiently, streamline systems and processes to make your business run smoother, sustainable momentum to grow your property business over time. So go ahead and fill out the form on this page, share a bit about your situation, and pick a time that works for you. Let's ignite your property development success. The session is completely free with no obligation. You'll walk away with a clear plan, and if you want to implement it with us, the opportunity is there. No surprises. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to helping you grow your property business.